Hey, welcome back everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Today we have got Cliff's beautiful black TJ Rubicon in the garage, and we're going to be installing these beautiful heavy-duty rugged ridge rock sliders on it. So stay tuned. We're going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to put these on and walk you through it. Let's get after it. Everybody, so the tools that are needed to install the rugged ridge rock sliders. First off, we're going to need a drill. We're going to need to fashion a nutsert tool. I'll show you in a little bit on how to make one from home. We will need a 7/16 drill bit and a smaller drill bit to start your pilot hole. You'll need a 16mm impact socket, a 6mm Allen wrench, a center punch to mark your holes, and an impact. Along with the rugged ridge rock sliders, they will send you 10 3/8" nutserts, and they are also going to send you 10 Allen head bolts to go into the body of the vehicle. With the install, it does require that you jack the body up just a small amount to be able to slide the rock sliders in underneath the body mount bushings. So you will also need access to a floor jack and some wood blocks to be able to access the height that is needed. Okay, so on his Jeep, he has already got the factory rock sliders on here. The first thing that we're going to need to do is remove those rock sliders and get them out of the way. Once everything is out of the way, we will be able to loosen the 3 16mm bolts that hold the body on. You will want to do the same thing on the driver's side to be able to jack the body up. Once everything is loose, you'll be able to use your jack to raise the body just enough to slide the tabs of your rugged ridge rock sliders into place. Once everything is in place, you can test fit the rock sliders and begin marking your holes for fitment. Okay, now that we've got everything test fit and measured up there, we've got our holes marked, we took the center punch, marked the center spot of the hole. It's time to start drilling our pilot hole. Again, you want to use a small drill bit and work your way up to the 7/16. Once we drill all those holes, we'll start inserting the nutserts, and then at that point we can put the rock sliders on for final fitment and screw them down. Alright, now that you have all the holes drilled in place where you need them, I just wanted to state that there was a quick correction. You actually need a 1/2" drill bit, not a 7/16 drill bit. When you buy this kit, it does not come with any instructions, so you kind of have to figure things out as you go. We also did realize that the nutserts are not a 3/8" nutsert, but they are actually a metric M10 by 1.5 thread pitch. So now that we have the holes drilled, what we'll need to do is go through, touch up all the bare metal spots to prevent any rust or corrosion in the future. And then once we're done with that, we will install the nutserts, do our final fitment of the rock sliders, and get everything bolted on it, and show you how I made my in-home nutsert tool. The first thing that you'll need is a 3-inch M10 by 1.5 thread pitch bolt. You will need 2 flat washers. They will go onto the bolt. You'll need a 7/16 coupling, and then you'll need 2 star washers. Once all that is in place, you will screw this into the thread insert. And then when that thread insert is inserted into the body of the vehicle, you will hold a crescent wrench on your 7/16 coupling, and then you will tighten down this bolt, and that'll take this nutsert and suck it in tight against the body of the vehicle. Alright guys, there it is. We've got the passenger side fully installed. Everything's bolted down nice and tight. I think you can all agree that this adds a much more aggressive look to your Jeep, not to mention the functionality that it's going to offer on the trails. It also adds a step to help you get in and out of the vehicle. Now that we have this fully installed on the passenger side, you're going to want to repeat all the same procedures on the driver's side. You only do want to tackle one side at a time, being as you have to loosen the body mounts. As always, thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please let me know in the comments section down below. And again, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, peace.